When you eat your Doritos, do you strategically put one side down? I go through and I pick the ones that have the strongest flavoring, and then I check both sides. And then this is obviously a stronger side, so that's the side that hits my tongue.
Hey guys, we're here in Food Network Studios today, and I am so excited because we're tasting all the Doritos flavors we could find here in New York City and online.
Mike, I think this is the best day of my life. How are you feeling?
I'm a huge fan of Doritos. I mean, especially the classic. I think it's one of life's greatest pleasures.
When I see a bag of normal Cool Ranch Doritos, I go from like 0 to 100. So like right now I'm like on another level. How are you feeling?
I'm excited because I've only ever had the original and Cool Ranch. You may have noticed that we have these finger protectors to avoid getting cheese all over your fingertips.
I hate it when your fingers get like dyed the color of the chip, so this is really a game changer.
All right, we're ready to get started, but before we do, don't forget to subscribe and hit this little bell down here so that you can get notified when there are new Taste Test episodes.
So our first flavor, good old nacho cheese.
Original classics, we have a baseline to compare these all to.
It's perfect.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it tastes like my childhood.
I eat these every day, or like at least once a week.
You know, I have no limit to the amount of these I can eat.
My best friend, Carly, I would spend so much time in high school at her house, and her mother confessed to me later on in college, after I had left the city, that when I would come over, she would sometimes hide the Doritos because she knew what was gonna happen once I got to that house.
Honestly, not much to say because they're just iconic.
Cool Ranch I have a lot of opinions about because I do think it's good, but when people try to tell me that it's better than Nacho Cheese, I get upset.
I think this is the best chip of all time.
They're just not better.
If I could pick one chip to eat for the rest of my life, it would be Cool Ranch
that one.
Doritos.
You know, there was a time in my life where I thought they were superior.
Wow.
Maybe when they first came out.
And the truth comes out.
But I've come back around to the classic. I've come home.
It looks like it's gonna be spicy. They look very similar to Cool Ranch.
They do.
They look pretty much identical.
It tastes like a little bit like salsa verde.
Yeah, it does. It's got some heat on the back end.
It's like not super spicy, it's just like a tiny kick.
It's fine. It's not one of these two. I'd pick either of these over this any day. A bad Dorito is still better than most other things.
I like this.
If I saw those in a store, I would buy them. Ooh, okay. Ooh, very fiery.
This should be significantly spicier. This is delicious.
I don't know if I like it.
Oh my God.
They took a great thing. They took another great thing. And what happened?
I'm happy as what happened.
They have like a little bit of like a vinegar flavor to them too.
Yeah, I think I wasn't expecting. It is spicy.
They are really good.
I could eat a lot of these.
Do you think this is superior to the original?
No, nothing is superior to the original, but this can hold its own, and I would pay money for it.
Blaze.
Blaze.
Intense flavor eruption.
Cataclysmic crunch.
Amped up fiery heat.
It's like licking a volcano.
If that doesn't sell you, I don't know what will.
It better be spicy. It smells like hot wings.
It tastes a little like takeout, like
Yeah, it tastes like Chinese takeout.
like Asian. There's like a Asian sweetness to it.
Oh, it tastes like fried chicken. It's really good.
It's really sweet. Ooh, but it's
But
hot
it's
at
good.
the end.
Oh, it is.
Ooh, it's like really, really sweet and then really spicy.
I think this one's the spiciest one out of the ones we've tried so far.
I like it. I still like this one much better.
Spicy nacho. That's also kind of classic.
Nacho cheese flavor, but spicy.
Yeah.
But not as spicy as Blaze.
I mean, after you have this one, it's like they can't really compare.
My heart still lies with regular nacho cheese. If I want a spicy Dorito, I'm going for the Tapatio.
This one, I'd say I would pass. Now we're on to my second favorite of all time. Spicy sweet chili.
So we already determined that the Blaze was spicy sweet, but this one is saying it's spicy sweet.
I do like that one.
You thought this tasted like takeout.
It tastes like I just got like Thai takeout.
But this one's like, I don't know, it's like kind of like a punch of flavor. when you eat
It's
it.
so flavorful.
There is like a sweetness that comes through. It's like tempered, but it's almost like you don't want it there.
I
right?
don't want this, period.
I like them, but they're not my favorite ones yet.
Okay.
Oh my God, I love chili lime things.
I'm really excited for the next one because they're a different shape.
So I feel like these are Doritos trying to get on the Taki train.
I like it. It's not a Dorito,
It's not
but
a
I
Dorito.
like it.
It's not a Dorito. Shape matters.
They are super limey. which I really do like.
I think I like them because I like sour things. But it might be misleading because it's not that spicy.
It's not that spicy.
But they taste good. This, I think, is gonna be the spiciest one, or so I'm hoping.
This one tastes more like Takis, Taki flavor.
Not spicier than Tapatios, spicier than everything else. Delicious.
It's very lemon or limey. I do like that one a little bit more.
I like this one better for sure.
These
I
are
love
favorite?
these. No, I think still these, but I would also spend money on these.
I mean, what do you think it means by poppin'? Like makes you dance,
Jalapeños.
sorta. Oh,
Yeah.
just in your face.
I like it. It is.
I don't hate it.
Yeah, it kind of tastes like almost any other thing that's jalapeno.
It weirdly tastes like Cool Ranch.
Oh, you like this?
Well, I was just kind of interested because it doesn't really have the spice of jalapenos, but it does taste a little peppery.
I could see myself just like continually eating these. All right, now that we've tasted all of them, which was your favorite? And do you have a new favorite Dorito flavor now?
Okay, so Cool Ranch is still my favorite, but I did like these Blaze ones.
Here's how I look at it. This, it's like my parents, right? Like, I'm always gonna love my parents the most because they're my parents. But that doesn't mean that like I can't love Missy despite the fact that she hid the Doritos from me. I love her. She's not my main parent, like she didn't birth me, but I love her.
Are any of these people in your life that you never want to see again?
Cool Ranch is definitely still my favorite. I actually am really enjoying the Flamas and the Poppin Jalapeño.
So this is your core Dorito, and then these are like, you know, in a pinch, you're at a party, you don't want to talk to people, you hang out at the snack table, any of these will get you through.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Food Network, and we'll see you next time on Taste Test. Bye.